Dear students, this is a session on answering short questions on manufacturing process 1 with reference to unit 5, which is casting process. Casting process, unit 5 in the syllabus for manufacturing process 1. Questions are on the basis of fill up the blanks. The most widely used material for making pattern in sand casting is dash. Answer is wood. For taking large number of impression in sand casting, patterns made of dash are used. Answer aluminium. Patterns are replica of object in shape but different than object in dash dimension. Answer is dimension. To compensate change in dimension due to cooling of molten metal during sand casting, dash allowance is added to patterns. Answer shrinkage. Cores are used in sand casting to create dash in castings. Answer discontinuity, which means holes, etc. Question 6. Molds are made of dash sand mixed with dash and water in sand casting. Answer green and bentonite. Question 7. Cores are made of dash sand and dash oil and then dash in oven. The answers are core sand, linseed oil and baked in oven. Question 8. Molds in sand are made in two halves of mold boxes, namely dash and dash. Answer is cope and drag. To locate cores in casting, core dash are used in patterns. Answer prints. Question 9a. To support cores in molds, dash are used. Answer chaplets. Question 10. Vent holes are provided in sand molds to allow escape of entrapped dash in cavity. Answer gases. To compensate for shrinkage of material during solidification of molten metal, dash are provided in sand molds. Answer risers. Question 12. To make proper way for molten metal in cavity, dash are provided at suitable locations in the mold. Answer gates. Question 13. Molten metal is poured in dash in cast iron foundry. Answer cupola. Question 14. Charges in the cupola consist of dash iron, dash stone, steel dash and coke. Answer is pig iron, limestone and steel scrap. Question 15. Sand molds retain their shape due to the property of dash and dash of mixed sand. Answer adhesiveness and cohesiveness. Question 16. Castings are effectively cleaned by the process of dash blasting after initial cleaning by grinding, etc. Answer short blasting. Question 17. Majority of the inspection process of castings are through dash checking. Answer visual checking. Question 18. Alternative to the cupola, cast iron can be produced in electric dash furnace also. Answer electric arc furnace. Question 19. Long cast iron pipes are produced by the method of dash casting. Answer: centrifugal casting. Question 20. Extremely intricate parts are produced by dash casting. Answer: investment casting. Thank you. Please prepare yourself for the coming exam.